Welcome to our video on the importance of regular water heater maintenance. In this video, we will discuss why it is crucial to maintain your water heater regularly to maximize its efficiency and lifespan. First, let's understand the components of a typical water heater. The main parts include the tank, heating element, thermostat, pressure relief valve, and anode rod. Each of these elements plays a vital role in the proper functioning of your water heater. Regular maintenance of your water heater offers several benefits. It helps remove sediment buildup, prevents corrosion, and ensures optimal heat transfer. By addressing these issues, you can improve energy efficiency and reduce the risk of sudden breakdowns. One crucial step in maintaining your water heater is checking and flushing the tank. This process involves draining the tank to remove any sediment or debris that may have accumulated over time. Regular tank flushing helps maintain efficiency by preventing clogs and promoting better heat distribution. Another important maintenance task is inspecting and replacing the anode rod. The anode rod is designed to sacrifice itself to protect the tank from corrosion. Over time, it can become depleted and ineffective. Regular inspection and replacement of the anode rod can significantly extend the lifespan of your water heater. Be sure to regularly check the pressure relief valve and connections. The pressure relief valve helps protect your water heater from excessive pressure buildup. It's important to ensure it is functioning correctly. Additionally, inspecting the connections for any leaks or loose fittings is essential to prevent water damage and maintain safety. While some maintenance tasks can be done by homeowners, it is recommended to schedule professional maintenance once a year. A professional technician can thoroughly inspect your water heater, identify any potential issues, and perform necessary repairs or adjustments. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and turn off the power supply before performing any maintenance tasks. Regular water heater maintenance is crucial for efficient and reliable performance. By taking the time to maintain your water heater, you can extend its lifespan, improve energy efficiency, and avoid costly repairs. Don't neglect this essential maintenance task for a hassle-free and long-lasting water heating system.